Set.
It's a Lego thing now.
Yeah.
Because you have to put every little component together. You just did the installation of your cabinet. Now you got water to deal with. You got electricity to deal with. You got gas to deal with in some cases. So now you got to make all this work and put it in at the right place at the right time.
So we're talking about integrating your systems. I'll give you very concrete example. Sylvain has to make sure all the wires go from the battery to the according electrical components. Same thing with the propane. He has to make sure all the pipings are linked to the right component to make sure it works. So this is called the integration / Lego phase, where you have to plug and play all your different little systems.
All right, guys, next one. So our van was getting dirty all the time, so we needed to figure out where to put our shoes. So we bought these organizing shoes. This is just a small part that we could fit in the door, and also we picked this clear one because we can clean it easily, but you can find some with fabrics and maybe they could look a little bit nicer. And also after we bought these, we realized that we can use the extra material for many things too.
One thing that can be extremely frustrating in van life, when you're looking for a place to park overnight, you want to be level. You don't want to be rolling to one side in your bed. Or if you're cooking something, you don't want all the food sloshing to one side of your pan. And it can be difficult to get level, even in what appears to be a nice level parking lot. I don't know how many times we've pulled this way and that way and then backed up and went over this way and the other way, all the while trying to get level and never really being able to get there. A torpedo level will really help with that. You just set it on your countertop like that and drive until you center the bubble between the two lines. The cool thing is you can easily turn it this direction so that you're not only level side to side, but you're level front to back. Really helpful.